Hi guys, and welcome to the Skills for Life channel. Today we're going to talk about fire escape ladders. So you want to know? Let's go. Okay, so here I have. This is a fire escape ladder by Kidd. You can find these on Amazon. Pretty much simple operation, pretty decent quality, and it's intended for a first time use, okay? This is a 13-foot ladder, and they also come in 25 feet. Maximum weight for these is 1,000 pounds or 454 kilograms. Pretty much it comes out of the box just like it is. In the event of a fire emergency, and you need to get out of your house, second story or third story, but today, we're going to do second story, and there's no other way out. This is the way to go. Pretty much a simple operation. The red part of the hooks go out of the window with the arrows facing outwards. Ladder going out, goes over your window frame, pretty much like this, and the weight is taking care of itself. As you can see, come on out camera. When you're working, there's the tab right here, and you're gonna pull on this and the ladder will come down. Look how easy that was. As you can see, I've deployed the ladder by pulling on the strap down there. It's at 13 feet. Like I said, they come in 25 feet. And this is what you need. You imagine 2 o'clock in the morning, you cannot get out of your bedroom with heavy heat, heavy fire. This is the way out of your second story window safely, okay? If you have other family members, you need to make sure that the rest of your family has a plan in there too. So maybe one for their bedroom. We need to slow down when we do this. This is just for demonstration purposes only. Bedroom frame, I'm going to cock one leg out and put my foot on the rung of the ladder to get my footing, okay? Making sure you have 3-point contact. Right now I have 1 foot on the rung and 2 hands are going to be on the frame of this window, okay? Now I'm down, okay? I've got 2-point contact, 2 feet, 1 hand, 1 foot. Always 3-point contact, 2 on the rung, down. See, 2 feet, going down, and I'm down. Look, in an emergency, you'll be working way faster than that. Now, if you have children, you're the parent, so you need to make sure that you get out of your house first, and then you can direct and make sure everybody's safe. If I had to go up to do something, see, you can go up. Real simple, going up, grabbing the frame, and I can go back in the house if I needed to. So when your child wants to come out, you can be waiting right here, have your child come out, cock the leg, and then you can be the guard around them. They're not confident about climbing out of a window, and that's fine. And as they're coming down, you can be between the ladder and your child, okay? So you're right here. You need to buy one of these.